In this video we will discuss solution of a quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, that is Sridharacharya rule. Okay, so suppose a quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a does not is equals to 0. So there are two roots, alpha and beta. Okay, so for alpha it will be minus b plus or under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. It means here will be plus, then here will be minus. So in combine it can be written as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so here b square minus 4ac it can be written as d. Okay, so d is equals to b square minus 4ac, where it is denoted by d and it is called discriminant. Okay, so it should be greater than or equal, okay, by 0. So first type of question based on the Sridharacharya's rules, write the discriminant of the following quadratic equation. So x square minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so we just compare by ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 2. Okay, so find out d. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2, that is 4 4 is 16 minus 4 2 is 8. So it will be 8. 8 is greater than 0. It means these are the real roots. Okay. Now second question. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we have to find the discriminant, that is d. So first we have to compare ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is 3, b is 2 and c is equals to minus 1. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So d is b square is 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 1, that is 2 to the 4, then plus 12, that is 16. Okay, so d is 16. Now suppose we are finding the real roots. Okay, so we are taking the same questions. So we know that there are two roots, alpha and beta. So for this first question, x square minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. So first root will be minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we just put these values. So we know that here b square minus 4ac is what? That is d. So here d is 8. Okay, then b is what? Minus 4. So minus and minus 4 plus under root 8 and divided by 2a. A is 1. So here minus, then minus 4 minus under root 8 upon 2 into 1. So it will be alpha is equals to 4 plus root 8 upon 2, then it will be beta is equals to 4 minus root 8 upon 2. Now it can be written as 4 into 2 divided by 2, then 4 minus 4 into 2 divided by 2. So it will be 4 plus 2 root 2 upon 2, then here 4 minus 2 root 2 and 2. So 2 is common, so 2 plus root 2 is remaining divided by 2, then beta is 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. So alpha will be 2 plus root 2, then beta will be 2 minus root 2. Okay, so these are two roots, alpha and beta, that is 2 plus root 2 and 2 minus root 2. Okay, for the second question, again alpha is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac can be written as d. So here I am writing d divided by 2a. Now beta is equals to minus b minus root d upon 2a. So here d is 16, d is 16. So I am writing this 16. Then b is 2 and minus sign is there, so we have to put minus sign. Then divided by a is 3, so 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So alpha is equals to minus 2 under root 16 will be it will be 4 divided by 3 to the 6, or beta is equals to minus 2 minus 4, then 2 into 3 6, then it will be 2 upon 6, then beta will be minus 6 upon 6, so it will be minus 1 and it will be 1 upon 3. So first root is 1 by 3 and second is minus 1. Okay, then move on the next question. We have to solve it by Sridharacharya's rule. Third question, 25x square plus 20x plus 7 is equals to 0. So first we have to compare ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is 25, b is 20 and c is 7. Okay, then find d discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So 20 square minus 4 into 25 into 7, that is 400, then 25 4s are 100, then 700. So d is minus 300, which is less than 0. It means, so the given equation has no real root. So you have to remember it is always greater than or equal to 0. Now move on the next topic, nature of roots. So suppose the quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a does not is equals to 0. So we have to find the discriminant, that is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So there are three cases. Suppose first case is if d is greater than 0, so roots are real and distinct. If d is equals to 0, so roots are real and equal. But in the third case, if d is less than 0, so equation are not real. Okay, so on the basis of this we have to find the nature of the roots. So first question is 2x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1 and c is equals to minus 1. Find the value of d. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1, that is d is equals to 1 minus 4 to the 8, then minus and minus becomes plus, so it will be 9. Okay, so d is greater than 0, it means the roots of the given equations are real and distinct. Okay, so roots are real and distinct. Then second question, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 4. So find d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So d is equals to minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. So it will be 16, then it will be minus 16. So d is equals to 0, it means roots are real and equal. Now third question, 2x square plus 5x plus 5 is equals to 0. So first we have to compare by ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to 5. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b is 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5, that will be 25 minus 40. Okay, so it will be minus 15. So d is minus 15, that is d is less than 0. So roots are not real. Now second type of question on base the nature of the roots. Find the unknown value that is called k if the equation has real and equal roots. So we know that has real and equal root, it means d is equals to 0. So suppose this question 2x square minus 10x plus k is equals to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 10 and c is equals to k. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac, that will be minus 10 whole square minus 4 into 2 into k. Now this will be 0 because roots are real and equal. So it will be 0. So it will be 4 to the 8. So minus 8k plus 100 is equals to 0. Then k is equals to 100 upon 8, that is 25 upon 2. So value of k will be 25 upon 2. Now move on the next question. 9x square plus 3kx plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so roots are real and equal. So if roots are real and equal, so d is equals to 0. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So first we have to compare by ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 9, b is equals to 3k and c is equals to 4. So here it will be 0. b square is 3k whole square minus 4 into 9 into 4. Okay, so transfer it. So 3 3s are 9k square is equals to 4 into 9 into 4. So 9 and 9 will be cancelled. So k square is equals to 16. That is k is equals to plus minus 4. Now next question is, find the values of k for which the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equals to 0 has distinct real roots. Okay, distinct real roots, it means d is greater than 0. So first we have to compare this equation by the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to k. So find d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So d is equals to b is minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into k, that is 16 minus 4k. Okay, so we know that d is greater than 0 for distinct real root. So we have to place this value. 16 minus 4k is greater than 0. So 16 is greater than 4k. Okay, so that is 4 is greater than k. So it can be written as k is less than 4. So the given equation will have distinct roots if k is less than 4. Okay, now move on the next question. Suppose the question is given, find the values of k for which the given equation has real root. Real root, it means it will be greater than 0 or it is equal to 0. Both condition will be possible. Okay, so first question, kx square minus 6x minus 2 is equals to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is equals to k, b is equals to minus 6 and c is equals to minus 2. So first we have to find the value of d. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 6 square minus 4 into k into minus 2, that is 36 plus 4 to the 8k. So the value of d will be 36 plus 8k. Now the equation, the given equation will have real roots. So d is greater than or equal to 0. So 36 plus 8k is greater than or equal to 0. So 8k is greater than equal to minus 36. So k is greater than or equal to minus 36 upon 8, that is k is greater than or equal to minus 9 upon 2. Okay, now move on the third type of question on determining or proving the nature of the roots. Okay, so in this first question is, prove that the equation x square a square plus b square plus 2x ac plus bd plus c square plus d square is equals to 0 has no real roots. Okay, so if AD does not is equals to BC. Okay, so first we have to compare this ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to a square plus b square. Okay, so we will take a1, b1 and c1. So a1 is a square plus b square, b1 is 2 into ac plus bd, then c1 is equals to c square plus d square. So first we have to find the value of d. Okay, so b square minus 4ac. So b is what? 2 ac plus bd square minus 4 ac. A is a square plus b square and c is c square plus d square. Okay, so it will be 4 and 4 is here, so 4 is common. 4 is common, then remaining is ac plus bd whole square minus a square plus b square into c square plus d square. Okay, so expand this, open this bracket, so it will be a square, that is a square plus c square b square d square plus 2abc, 2bc, so it will be 2acbd, then minus sign, you have to multiply this, so c square with a square, so a square c square plus b square c square, then plus a square d square plus b square d square. Okay, so it will be 4 a square c square plus b square d square plus 2 ac into bd minus a square c square minus b square c square minus a square d square minus b square d square. Okay, so this will be cancelled by this is this. Okay, then what is remaining? It can be written as, suppose we are taking minus sign as common, so it will be b square c square plus a square d square, then minus 2a c b d. Okay, so it can be written as minus 4 ad then minus bc whole square. Okay, so given is AD does not is equals to BC. Okay, so here has no real roots. Okay, we have to prove this has no real roots. If AD does not is equals to BC, it means AD minus BC this does not is equals to 0. It means AD minus BC whole square is greater than 0. Okay, so minus 4 AD and minus BC square is greater than 0. Okay, so it means it does not is equals to 0. It may be AD minus BC whole square is greater than 0. So if I am introducing minus 4, so it will be less than 0. Okay, so D is less than 0, hence the given equation has no real roots. Now next question is, Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation k plus 4 x square plus k plus 1 x plus 1 is equals to 0 has equal roots. Equal roots means d is equals to 0. So same way we have to compare ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to k plus 4, b is equals to k plus 1 and c is equals to 1. Okay, so find the value of d. B square minus 4ac. So k plus 1 whole square minus 4a into k plus 4 and into 1. So it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab then minus 4k and minus 16. Okay, so it will be k square minus 2k minus 15. Factorize it, so it will be minus 5k plus 3k minus 15. So k is common, k minus 5 is remaining, then here 3 is common, k minus 5 is here. So it will be k plus 3 then k minus 5. Now this is the value of d. So it has real root, it has equal root, it means d is equals to 0. So k plus 3 and k minus 5 will be 0. So k will be 5 or minus 3. Okay.